Hello. Today we are going to talk about how to use the new ChatGPT 4.0 to help us to create our schema for our websites. Okay, this is a template I've been working for a long time, taking from here, taking from there, whatever I see or I like. This is custom made, taken from everywhere. Okay, this is the normal area. This is the I like this area, and you don't see it every often on the schema. I usually put here the Google Map or Google profile rate. Okay, this is really good. I really like it. This is why you see in some search the business with some stars. The address, the alternative name, I use keywords. Then a description using keywords. Always use a Wikipedia with your main services or product. This is to add the geo coordinates, then the area served. Words is more for add all more keywords too. And then you can put here the most important can be Yelp, can be a yellow page, can be any of those two. Then this area I really like it too because I can add the services or the products. In this case, it's house roofing, offer catalog, and a little description. It's gonna be our main keyword for this particular service, and then Atlanta roof repair, replacement, anything you want to put, commercial, Okay, what we're gonna do is this. I'm going here and I'm gonna paste something I already Okay, we're going to ChatGPT 4.0, okay? And you can also do this one in the free version. You don't worry about it. But I think it's gonna give us better result using if you have it. If you don't worry about it. Okay, let's put here something I already prepared. I need you to be my schema SEO expert. I usually start with any prompt I work with. I usually say, hey, I need you to be my expert, to be really clear on what type of file I need him. And I say, hey, I'm going to give you a template. Then tell me what type of information you need from me. Okay, and that way you can create that schema, that code for me. In this case, we're gonna give him some space here, and then go here. Don't worry about this one. I will put in the description area a link, and that way you can grab this custom template schema if you like it. Don't worry about it. You can also use yours. Okay, then I'm gonna click on here and let's see in here. To create a schema for your business, I need the following information. All this information the count, street. You know, I already told you this is part of the strategy. Put more keywords on here. Use a business description rich in your keywords, but without stuffing them, you know. And you will hear, and then you can grab this one part and start filling up everything and give it to him, and they're gonna give it to you. Okay? I hope this help you. If you have any question, please let me know in the comment area. Okay? And I will leave in the link for this schema code in the description area. See you next one.